Alright, hey guys, I'm the MacHelper. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can install macOS Big Sur on your MacBook. So, this is not my new 2020 MacBook Pro. This is my old 2015 MacBook Pro. I've done plenty of videos on this. Make sure to go check them out. And I saw that it was supported on macOS Big Sur. Alright, so I'm on the Apple website. So these are all the devices that are supported. So Mac Mini 2014, MacBook Air and Pro are 13 and later, MacBook 15 or later, iMac 14 or later, iMac Pro 17 or later, Mac Pro 2013 or later. I think that's just 2 models of Mac Pro, which kind of sucks, but there's only one version of Mac Pro, so whatever. So I'll show you how you can get this. This is before the public beta is brought out. I'll probably do a video on how to get that. Maybe for the Watch OS. Anyway, so you don't need to go to this website. I just wanted to show you what to do, but you should open Safari. First off, before I get started, make sure you do this on a computer that you don't mind messing up, because these betas, it's very hard to download. Make sure you back everything up. You can do that through Time Machine, or I think there's other ways, but the main one that I know of is the Time Machine, which is in System Preferences, which always, whenever I plug in a new hard drive that's not being used, it always says, like, do you want to use this for Time Machine? So, yeah, so it's just this. I don't think I have any drive set up for it. I did at some point, called Untitled. Anyway, I'll do a video later on about that. I just don't have any hard drives that I can use at the moment for it. Because this is a 256 gigabyte computer, and all my hard drives above that storage capacity are being used. Make sure you have a computer that you don't use that often, that you don't mind messing up, like an old iMac, if you have an old family computer, ask family if you can use like an old iMac or something. Besides the point, open Safari and go to betaprofiles.com. I'll leave a link in the description. It's the same place for the iOS 14 install. And you go to here, macOS 11. As you can see, iOS. You can't do iOS, iPadOS, watchOS, and I think you can't. The only one you can do from a Mac is the macOS download. You can't download any of these for the downloads. You can download the IPSWs, but just click download, and it'll go to your downloads. You double tap, wait for I'll close that. Wait for the installer to open, and then double tap macOS. What is that? macOS Developer Beta Access Utility. And then continue. Hit continue a few times. Agree. You'll probably have to type in your password. Yeah, here install and then password. So yeah, I tried to do this on my Mac, on my MacBook Pro, my new one, but it was just having trouble doing it. I was trying to partition the drive, but I didn't have enough space. So I kind of gave up on it, but then I was like, if I can get this computer fixed, I can do it. So yeah, so I got this computer fixed, and I'm doing it. So yeah, so it says it's 10.16, but we all know it's macOS 11. Just click Update Now, and wait for it to download the updates. So yeah, I'm just doing it on this computer, because this computer is my secondary MacBook Pro. I use this because it's new and it's fast. I've done unboxing. A review will be probably recorded this week and possibly uploaded next week. Back without a camera this time, so I didn't realize there's more to it than just what I showed you. So when this is done, I guess downloading the update file, click Upgrade Now. So it says macOS Beta. To set up your installation for macOS Beta, click Continue, click Agree, and then click Agree. And then choose the hard drive or SSD you want it to be on. I'm gonna choose my Macintosh SSD. Click Install. The file 1 terabyte password 1. Oh, these, you know what these are? These were in my. These might have been in my. I'm just gonna continue. Those files that were listed up here, those were on my boot camp, I think, and I just deleted my boot camp. So yeah, it says about 3 minutes remaining, and then from here it should just go through the process, restart the computer. I'll get back. I'll record on my phone if there's any errors, but I'm going to stop recording for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this, more macOS Big Sur videos, iOS 14, iPadOS 14, watchOS 7, tvOS 14, and much, much more. Yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.